so crooked. I'm so sorry. Okay, butter. Lemon and ginger shot. Cheers. Wow. 2 super cream. Apple cider. I'm done with my Nature Organic. I'm gonna have to do my review video. Alright, so usually I'll do my shaking up. I'm actually gonna go that way and used a little blender, so same shake, I'm just gonna blend it. Don't worry, I'll show you guys. Come on, let's go. Alright, so I have my cup of ice and I'm going to fill it up a little over halfway with water. Then I'm going to add some creamer, just a tablespoon. Get my coffee. This is Instant Cafe Bustelo. I'm going to put 2 scoops of that. Dutch chocolate. 2 scoops of that. Protein. Oh, and a scoop of that. I'm actually going to put my Prolessa on top. It's my last scoop of Prolessa. My box will be here tomorrow with my new Prolessa. So I'm just going to jam it on the top. Let me show you. See, when I blend it, I like to put, it's the same exact shake, it's just blended. And I put the Prolessa on the top, like that. And you can this. It's like ice. You see? It's like ice cream.
Your sister in the game.
Okay, so I got caught up working again. I'm going to make my meal. I missed my snack, but I'm gonna make my meal. I'm going to have one of these flatbreads. It's 9 grams of protein. With flax. Mozzarella cheese. I'm going to put 3 of them on here. I don't know why, but I always use 3 whenever I use these pre-cut mozzarellas. And then I'm going to get one of the chickens that I pre-cooked. Just one. don't know why I don't feel hungry from not eating all day. It is already 4:30 and this is the first time I'm eating food, which is not good. I do not recommend it. So I'm gonna go ahead and warm this up in the microwave and then I'll add everything else. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have chicken and cheese to add a tomato. And I'm going to add cucumber. So I have my lime. I'm going to squeeze that on here like this. The tomato, I'm gonna make my husband one when he gets home, so I'm just gonna use half of everything here. Half tomato, half cucumber, and we're gonna get tzatziki sauce. And we're going to get some spring mix. Spring mix and add a handful of that on here. Fold it over. We're going to cut it in half. Ooh, yummy. That's what I'm going to eat today for my healthy meal. Doesn't that look fabulous? You don't like the green? Doesn't that look so good? Yeah. What is that?
Bumblebee cake pop. Bumblebee pop pop.
What is it? Bumblebee cake pop. Is it good? No. Yay. Daddy, bring home coffee. The best. Alright. It's 11 o'clock at night. It's time for me to close my vlog. I've been like working and doing housework all day today. Like it's been non-stop with tea kits and it's GIBBS, so herbalife. Laundry, cleaning, feeding the kids, cooking, all that great stuff. So finally having my shake. 2 days in a row. Is it 2 days or 3 days? 3 days in a row I've had my dinner shake. So y'all should be proud. But I'm going to take my calm. Got a lot going on. My face is, I don't know if I ate something I'm allergic to or if I'm allergic to the new bead scent things that we got for laundry. We got a different brand to try it. And I'm like, my face is super itchy. I did not take one of these today because I just needed it. I'm gonna take one now. It's more time. If you haven't noticed, I'm becoming obsessed with going. If you didn't know, I was officially collaborated with Organics Nature. And I was talking with a guy and telling him how I finished it and how much I loved it, and I was going to do a review video today. I genuinely really love these two products because I could tell a big difference when taking them. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm talking really low. But I was telling him how much I love them, and he's sending me another month's supply. I'm still going to do my 30-day review, but I'm very excited to get to do this for a whole nother month. Because these two things were amazing. So if you want these, check the link tree below this video. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see Order Organics Nature. I have the sea moss gummies, the one with the burdock root, and the ultimate fat burner. And both of these made a huge difference the last 30 days for me. So I'm really happy about getting more of this. Now I'm going to take my apple cider. super green. Y'all know I'm super consistent. If I ain't consistent with something, I'm consistent with my morning and my night. I'm getting better with the shake though. And the last, sorry, I got a notification. 11 o'clock and I still get like working out. And last but not least, I have to tell you this. I have to take my treatment for my liver. If you follow me, you already know I live with chronic liver disease. I was born with it, and to keep it stabilized, I take the treatment every single night. I'm just saying this because someone sent me a message and they were like, "What is your liver treatment?" I was born with it, and I just have to keep the treatment every single night for the rest of my life, so I just take it. This is just a Dutch chocolate shake, no coffee. I had a coffee today for one of my snacks. My husband brought me a little coffee because he's amazing. So it's just plain Dutch chocolate. But I'm gonna drink this to get ready for bed, and I will see you guys tomorrow on the next video.